Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around a fresh into stock Nissan X-Trail. This is the 1.6 dCi. It's 4-wheel drive and it's finished in this gorgeous silver. As you can see, the paintwork's just gorgeous on this. Going down to the alloys, you've got the 19-inch multi-spoke alloys with Nissan N-Tec casings. If we go up to the front, you've got these lovely halogen headlights with daytime running lights. You've got chrome on the front, on the trims, on the grille and on the split. And you've also got your parking sensors. You've got matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour and black housing. And chrome trims go along the outside. And also matching coloured roof bars to the body colour. If you go onto the rear, you've got your really nice rear, and if we open up the boot, press the boot button, the boot will open. Absolutely great boot space, fit tons in there. You've also got your load space cover and your additional seats for 7 seats. If we just push this button, the boot will close. Going on into the interior, you're welcomed with your really nice half Alcantara cloth seats. As you can tell, it's just really nice, really comfy seats. You've also got your sunroof, which acts as a panoramic roof as well, giving you that extra feel of space. And you've also got your rear fans in the rear, which can be adjusted. Going on into the driving side, you've got the same lovely seats, but this time you've got lumbar support. Really comfy seats. Go and get into the car, it's wireless key entry, so you put your foot on the brake, the clutch, sorry, and press the stop start button. The car will turn on. You've got a full leather steering wheel and controls on either side, so you can adjust your volume or change the tracks or channel, and obviously you can adjust your digital driving dash with this. At this side you've got your cruise control and limiter and also your hands-free buttons. If we're going down, you've got your automatic windows and then also your central locking. You've also got the ability to fold in the wing mirrors. Going onto the media display, it's touchscreen, so you can touch it if you want, or you can use the buttons. So if we go onto your radio, you have all the radio lists. If we go back to the nav, as you can see, you've got navigation up here. Going on down, we've got dual zone climate control, air conditioning, the digital dash to display. You've also got your handbrake, electric handbrake, and then your USB port and auxiliary point. Going into the underarm, some really nice storage space, and also another 12 volt. Then you've got the ability to put it in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, or lock it, either way. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our sales team. Potentially, this could be your next new car. Cheers.